Hey guys, and welcome back to Gierok Farms. Now, today we're going to be weed whacking. The weather hasn't been the greatest lately, so it's not been perfect hay weather. So instead I'm going to be weed whacking. We got 10 ponds on the farm to do, and I've already done 3 of them. It took me like 5 hours or something. 3.5 tanks of fuel for the weed whacker. So I've been weed whacking a lot, and we got a Echo SMR 225. I'm gonna get the fuel and we're gonna head to the ponds. So we got our gas here, and now this gas is for all our like small engines. So our weed whacker, our chainsaws. We got a lot of chainsaws over there, and like I feel like my dad, he's got a lot of chainsaws, but I mean, does he really need this many chainsaws? Like, I feel like at this point he's trying to collect like all of them. He needs them all. This is his Pokemon. Like he's trying to collect. He's trying to get them all. Like he's got like 19, I believe. A lot of chainsaws. But anyway, that fuel we got over there, it's a mixture of premium gasoline and then that steel chainsaw fuel mix or whatever. We're going to the back 40. We got 3 ponds up there. If you watched any of the excavating videos, there were some of the ponds that just got dug out. So I'm gonna head up there. Straight days of weed whacking. And if you know anything about weed whacking that much, it's not fun. It needs to be done, so. All right, so here's our smallest pond. I did this one first, and grass was taller than the fence at some points. And I had a lot of trouble with it wrapping up and stuff. That was because it rained the night before. Alright, so here's the biggest of the ponds behind the barn, and it didn't take me that long. It was really nice because I caught them last year later. I make jokes with my friends when they're asking me what I'm doing, and I tell them I'm making the whole farm look like a golf course. Alright, so this is the last pond. You might have just seen this pond not too long ago in our moving cattle video. Yeah, I mean, back there it's looking like lawn. It's like a golf course. One of my buddies, he's gonna be working at a golf course, and I'm telling him I'm gonna be competing for your job. Like, I mean, this is as good as it gets. I mean, for a timely manner, we're getting her done, and yeah, the cows can't come in here and graze, so we gotta control the weed somehow. Right, so we're at the next pond, but there's not a whole lot to do here. There's a little bit on the far side. I'm just gonna go around a little bit. See, every other pond we have on the farm is fenced in or the cows can't get to, besides this one. This is the only one they can get to. This was just dug out like a year or 2 ago. Further down the line, we're probably gonna have to put a fence back in here, but Alright, so this side of the pond had a lot more weeds on it, and now it looks really good. There's kind of like a perimeter all the way around the pond now, just nice short grass. Hopefully that'll grow out really nicely, and maybe the grass will grow into lower parts of the pond, so there'll be like grass all the way up to the pond, and it'll be super nice. Cows are enjoying it. I'm done with this pond. There's no more weeds down here. This was the swampiest, like most weediest place we have on the entire farm, and I was just like, you know what, I need to take care of this. Kind of got carried away, like I said, and the weed whacker was just cutting like butter, but my back is aching. My back is terrible, my neck is terrible because of that, and because of the, like, I weed whacked like at least an acre of this like weeds. So like, I really think you should subscribe. And anyways, yeah, we're gonna do other 2 ponds tomorrow. Yeah, I'll see you guys then. Right, so it's the next day and we're here in the back 40. We're about to mow this pond. Now, just this last year, we had a guy come excavate this and we did a video on it. Go check that out. Today, I'm gonna try to get all 5 ponds that are left. So we got 1 here and we got 1 over the hill. Dry cows and heifers back here in the back 40. As you can hear by the cowbells, yeah, we got a pond over that hill and then we got the meadow. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it. So I finished this next pond. I had to leave this patch here because we got 10-12 ducklings. Got a flock of them in this pond, so it means that wild ducks are nesting in here. There they go. Let's see if we can get a little clip of them for you. Can't really see them. Anyway, you can hear them. In the meadow now. I got everything down here. We couldn't take the 4-wheeler down here because this is technically a hayfield now, I guess. Anyway, we got this pond here and then we got 2 back there. These are the last ponds, last 3. All right, that's 1 pond. Number 2. All right, so we're done with all 3 ponds in the meadow and all 10 of the ponds on the farm. As you can see, I groomed this pond up pretty well. There was a lot of like surface area to do, but the grass wasn't insanely tall compared to the other 2 ponds down in the meadow. But yeah, anyway, it was a great time to do all these ponds. My back is aching a little bit, and I think because of that, you need to subscribe. Now remember, if you liked what you're watching here and like what I'm doing, please like the video. It really helps out the channel a lot. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and go check out some of the other videos, like that excavating one, if you want to see how one of the ponds I weed whacked was actually like made. But yeah, anyway, enjoy your day and take care.